Welcome, everybody. In this lesson, we are going to talk about how to improvise on piano with melodic contours. We are going to see with few notes how you can improvise in a very effective way. And also, we are going to use specific rhythmic ideas. So, let's go. In this lesson, we are going to talk about how to improvise with melodic contours. So the first thing we are going to do is I have here our basic progression 251. Okay, this is my basic idea. I am in the key of C. Okay, and now my melodic contours, I'm going to build those melodic contours very easy with a specific rhythm. Okay, so in this case I'm gonna play a half note tied to an eighth note plus 3/8 notes plus my target note. Okay, this is the basic idea. And my harmonic rhythm, I'm going to have a specific harmonic rhythm in my left hand. In this case, okay, half harmonic rhythm. I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the basic idea. So let me show you how can we improvise with these specific melodic contours and with a specific rhythmic idea, so you can control, okay, the phrase of your improvisation. It's very important. So this is the idea. We are going to start using always in a general way of thinking. In a general way, we are going to think about playing with arpeggios and the ninth. That's it. Do not use scales or modes for improvising in this idea. Okay? So for example, we have this idea. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? As you can see, I started the line with the 11th. Okay? And then I move to the ninth, the flat 7, and my target note, okay, in this case B in C major. Okay, back again to, okay, perfect. So I started the line with the tension 11th. Okay, then in my G7 chord I use the 13th, the 5th of the chord, and my target note B. Okay, perfect. This is the idea. Let's go to put another example. For example, okay, perfect. The same idea. I'm starting the line in the 5th of the chord, in this case D minor. Okay, I'm going to the G7 and I'm going to play, okay, D, E, and back again to my tonic chord, in this case C major, okay, in the 5th of the chord. Okay, let's do another type of idea. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Okay, perfect. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Okay. So this is the basic idea. You can start improvising with these small units, short melodic units with this specific rhythm we are playing right now. Let's do the same example in another key. In this case, for example, E flat. Okay, and I'm going to play the 251. Okay, with rootless voicings in my left hand. Okay, perfect. So let's do the same idea. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, let's do it again. Perfect. As you can see and you can listen to this short example, I started the line on the fifth of the chord. I have in my left hand F minor 7th, going to B flat 7, and I played B flat, A flat, F, D, okay, chord tones, and the ninth of B flat 7, and I ended, my target note was D, the 7th of E flat major. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Okay, I am playing with this rhythmic unit that is going to work very well, okay, at the beginning of your improvisation. Okay, let's do one more time, one more example, the same idea. I'm going to start the line in the tonic F minor 7, going to B flat 7, okay, my target note E flat major. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, perfect. Also, you can embellish the first note and your last note, so that is gonna give you a type of personalization in your playing. Okay, let's do it a little bit. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Perfect. This is the idea. You can use these ideas for starting your own improvisations in a very specific way and with confidence. Okay, using specific notes. Okay, and using a specific rhythm, okay, for your phrases. Okay, if you like this lesson, remember to leave a comment, and I will see you soon in the next lesson.